This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. Updated 2-bedroom 2-bath brick ranch home on approximately 0.71 acre. The home is built with an open floor plan and has neutral colors throughout. All rooms have USB plugs and dimmable lights. Living room has a brick fireplace with gas logs. Kitchen has stainless appliances, tile backsplash, a breakfast bar and dining area. Primary bedroom is large and has 2 closets. It has double doors to the deck. The home has a single carport with attached storage room. The home also has a covered front porch, a side deck, a screened rear porch, and a rear patio. So many places for relaxing. There is a storage building which remains. This home is a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Wisnant at 704